So this package came all the way from South Korea. BMW M. The Ultimate Machine Galaxy S23 Ultra BMW M edition. So this is obviously a collaboration between BMW, SK Telecom, and of course, Samsung. And it's not a product that's been on my radar whatsoever. Something tells me this thing is gonna be pricey. Front end of an E30. What? Okay, this is one of the most ridiculous unboxing videos ever. It's cold to the touch. This is actually metal. It's like the hood of the car. The E30 grille, Ultimate G23 headlights. We spin it around. The tail, Ultimate G23, and then M3 over on the side. It's two pieces. So that is your BMW emblem lineup over the years. The original in 1917, the update in 1933, the next generation in 53, a new 2D logo design in 2020, and the 2022 50 years of BMW M Special Edition emblem, an M Series watch. Whoa, look at that little thing. Let's lift this. Look at all the items included. We're not even done. And of course, there's got to be a history book, 1986, that's the M3 that we're talking about. And of course, continuing on, look at where M is at in 2023. Ah, this is cool, a keychain, option to install whichever happens to be your favorite of the emblems. Sunglass holder for car, oh cool. Magnetic BMW sunglass holder. What are those called? On your visor? Air compressor accessories? And an actual air compressor? Are you kidding me? We have our pins in the bottom here. It kind of looks like a lock, and it all charges up over Type-C. Sick. Let's check what's under the hood. Ooh. Galaxy S23 Ultra BMW edition, and everything is representative of an actual component inside of an M series. This is an emblem you can place wherever you like. Poster. Ooh. So we've got the classics, we've got the modern. Look at that color green. I don't know if this makes me appreciate the modern one or miss the classic. That's gonna be the phone right there. And that's gonna be the case right there. For sure, one of the coolest unboxing experiences ever. Let's do the phone next. S23 Ultra. Phantom Black. This is interesting, the way this collaboration worked, because instead of branding and placing logos on the device itself, they used the collaboration to create a completely unique unboxing experience. BMW M edition with the nice, soft, almost Alcantara-like interior. And check out the origin, the history, the reminiscing of the M series. You see the grille, you see the branding. Ooh. Whoa, that's a wireless charger. This is a wireless charger cup holder for your classic car, because you don't have it. Connect the USB cable to the port Type-C under the tray in the QC 3.0 adapter for your cigarette lighter. And then you have a wireless charger right here in your classic car, modernizing your old school M series vehicle. Then this piece actually clicks in here, like that, and act as an anchor. This is insane. For your charge tray. So you get a second cup holder, and then you stick your phone here for wireless charging, because you don't have wireless charging in your classic BMW M series. These guys thought of everything. So yes, it's got a USB cable, but as you know, it does not come with a power brick. But that's where our friends over at Anker come in. Fantastic partner of the show. They've got their new GAN Prime lineup. This is incredible. This tiny little thing capable of 150 watts worth of power. It's not only gonna just be able to charge your S23 Ultra, but your laptop and any other gadget you might want to throw at it. Compatible with Apple and Samsung devices. A very limited edition S23 Ultra unboxing experience. There's only about 1,000 of these things in existence.